Oh, it's exciting. I'm back. Oh, hello YouTube. It is me, the king of all. Hold on, let me resize my face. There you go, that's way better. I don't want it to match my ego, would I? Alright, so today, life. We are going to be recording stuff. I am going to be enjoying some Photoshop, because this is what I do in my free time. Actually, it's been quite a while since I used Photoshop. And we have our canvas on which we will create beauty. So I feel like photoshopping politicians, because politicians are always a fun thing to do. Who's the most famous politician in the world right now? Kanye West. Kanye West, absolutely. Actually, I've been recently listening to some of his music. It's actually not that bad. Especially Black Skinhead. Was a really cool song, but we need to find perfect. This is just amazing. How did he even do that? Oh, that's Photoshop. Okay, we need to find a very perfect picture of Mr. Kanye West, but I don't know where to find one. This is just look at my hui. Tiny hui. And Shia LaBeouf shows up for no reason. This is taking way too long. I love this. I don't know why, I just love it. Dude, you look stunning. You changed lives with your face. Speaking of your face, right, we're gonna have to Kanye this shit up a bit. He looks a little bit sad. I think we need to help him out with that. Give him a little bit of a, okay, that's not gonna work. And just give him a little bit of a, that's perfect. I love it. He looks like he's having a great time, you know, and I think his eyes need a little work. It looks a little cross-eyed to me, you know. I'm glad to help out, bruh. You know me, I'm the best. Just focus on some of this, and this should be good, you know? That doesn't look terrifying at all. We should just adjust this, and I think he looks way better than he usually does. He's a little, he has something in this ear, because I know he's into music and stuff. He's gonna be an iPhone sponsor. Perfect. I think he needs an iPhone in this hand, guys. I hear he's an iPhone fan. Yeah? Sorry about that. Let's return to Mr. Kanye making his, oh yes, we can put whatever we want on it. If I save it, I can use it again. Let's just save it on the desktop. No, I want to save it somewhere. Oh, junk. Let's just make a junk folder, junk. Some this. Why does it have little thingies in the middle? That's not fucking fair. That's a fake PNG, bro. This is not cool.
You are fake news.
Look how perfect this looks. Booyah. Oh, it's beautiful. What is he listening to? Ah, well, let's just say he has a good taste in music for once. He's listening to Killshot. Cool stuff. Me likes. He's really into Eminem because he got all the hair and stuff. Let's put Eminem in the back. He's like, give me my iPhone back, you second. It's a pretty good picture, actually. That's from the River music video. He loves Eminem. This is turning out to be beautiful. I always seem to never be able to amaze myself. Looks like Jack Nicholson. Oh, this is beautiful. Like, what are you doing, Kanye? Listening? I love your music. I'm doing the fucking beat. Let's get a fist. Get a fist in there. I love this. Perfect. I'm gonna beat you up, freaking Kanye. I'm gonna destroy your face. It just looks like he has some scars on his face. Eminem, fuck you, Kanye. Let's get the who's the guy who was in this thing? Like, oh, don't destroy me, I'm so sad. He doesn't look scared at all. We just give him a little bit of a like, oh, holy fuck, I'm so scared. That looks actually really well photoshopped. I didn't actually mean to do a really good job there. Like, oh, Kanye's listening to Killshot and he's like loving it, and Eminem's just fucking pissed. I love it. It just says so much, you know. You know what? I feel content with this. Let's save this. Kanye XXM. Cool. Cool. Let's think of something else we could Photoshop. Let's think less political, or even more political, that is. What is a trending meme right now? Could we be even more mainstream than we are right now? I don't know, guys. Let's think. This is the part where we'll be creative right now, right? Let's see what Justin Bieber looks like these days. I don't really look at his shit lately. He looks horrible. He looks like a homeless person. Like an enlightened homeless person, like a centurion. Was that a Caesar's son? I bet he thinks he is Caesar. Dude. Oh, this is the Justin we all know and love. This looks horrible. What has happened to this guy? He does not look like himself at all. No, I don't think people will recognize him. We need to do something more recognizable. Elon Musk. I know there's a big meme with him lately where he smoked some cannabis on Joe Rogan's show. There's so much I could do with this. Yeah, I'm taking this. I think we should add some like wheat fields in the background and be like, and he's gonna be like, namaste. I must resist the urge to use the cannabis. Just gonna give him some. Give him a gangster hat. National Super Baked. Perfect. You are about to witness the power of street knowledge. Flatten it a little bit. There you go. Need some Kanye glasses. Oh, it already just fits so well. Can we not do that Photoshop? Can we just relax? Oh, this looks so gangster. It's so cool. I love it. We usually put a little ring on his finger. Okay, now we need the Boring Company. Now we got it going on. The Baking Company. That looks so good. I'm scared he might actually see this and actually think it's a good idea. The Baking Company. Super baked. I love it. It's just perfect. It's so perfect. I am an artist. I just am the best at this. Sorry. Let's go to the junk folder and save JPEG of Doom. BakeX. So that concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video where I hopefully focus on more appropriate things than rapping and baking and oh boy, this is just great. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you and bye-bye.